Want to know how to configure the Money Manager app? Well, no worries. So Money Manager app do have configuration settings as well that you can use, which makes the app different, which could be in your currency and other settings. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can configure it easily so that you can use for proper utilization of the app. So let's get straight to it. First things first, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this more icon right here with the three dot, just simply like that. And here you should be seeing configuration with the gear icon. So this is the settings basically. So you can start with categories, so you can see your income and expenses category settings, where you can just simply add or remove categories just like this right here. The subcategories can be on or off. Your main currency settings can be changed. For me is decrease rupees, and monthly start date can be of anything. So you can change your start date to 1, 2, or even 14, 15 as you want. So with that, you can also enable carryover settings, your autocomplete, input order, and you can also add passcode, alarm settings, and quick add as well. So quick add really helps in order to add your income and expenses like really quickly. So that's it. This is how you configure your application. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.